Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall bandwidth reporting tools from Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall bandwidth reporting tools from Windows, begin by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Control Panel into the search bar and select it from the results. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features to access the list of installed applications. Scroll through the list to find the bandwidth reporting tool you want to uninstall. Once you find it, click on the application name to select it. After selecting the application, look for the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Click the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt may appear. If so, click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. Once the uninstallation process is complete, you may need to restart your computer. To ensure all components are removed, you can also check for leftover files. Open File Explorer and navigate to C:\program files or C:\pro. Next, return to the control panel and click on Network and Internet. Then select Network Connections to ensure the tool is not affecting your network settings. If you find any network adapters altered by the tool, right-click on them and select Properties. Check the properties and ensure no unwanted software or settings remain active. After you finish, it's a good idea to run a system scan for additional cleanup. You can use Windows Defender or any trusted third-party antivirus software for this purpose. Lastly, confirm that your computer is functioning normally without any remnants of the tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.